it's Gina with WTI, and I have been having so much fun making soap and lotion bars with this leaf silicone mold from Grainrain. I love how soft and pliable it is and easy it is to get out my solidified soap or lotion once it's done cooling, but it's not so soft that it doesn't hold the shape of whatever you've put into it. I really like the pattern a lot. It's kind of whimsical with circular lines centering into the leaf itself. And it has a really nice detail on the leaf. You can clearly see the stem and the different portions of the leaf. And I just really like how nice it looks. I also appreciated that I was able to switch immediately from making a soap mold to a lotion mold because there was no residual left inside the silicone. I just love how beautiful this mold is, and it just makes perfect soap and lotion. I can't wait to keep using it, and that's my point of view.